Welcome to McCombinvestments.net. I'm Ryan Froelich from Strength Management LLC. We are here today to inform you about earning a higher interest rate on your investment money. This can revolutionize your investment potential and increase your security through a fixed percentage. Hopefully we piqued your interest. Let's move forward so we can show you what private lending is all about. Our meeting agenda for today is to break down what the company is, what it does, and how we operate. We also want to answer some questions that you may have, the questions being what is in it for you and how does private lending work. Strength Management LLC was started in 2007 by myself, Ryan Froelich, and we market for and identify investment opportunities. We buy distressed residential and commercial properties at a deep discounted rate. We rehabilitate the properties or wholesale and solve financial problems to create value. As an exit strategy for the company, we lease, we sell to first-time home buyers, and we sell also to investors. We are not opposed to handle rental properties. You're probably asking yourself how our company is different from all the rest. Well, actually, we have set many standards in the industry to set ourselves away from what our competition is doing. We set up a very well developed system and have been operating under strategies that we have studied from top-notch real estate investors throughout the whole United States. Actually, some actually invest throughout the world. We have spent a lot of time. We do invest a lot as well, but we also spend a lot of time because we believe that knowledge is power, and we study different types of deals, different types of operations that you can run your business, and we put a system and develop a system that can run successfully and smoothly because we understand that successful entrepreneurs and successful businesses are ran well off of a system. So we have set up the system. We got two people with Ryan and Matt that believe in integrity and righteousness, and we believe that that's the foundation that the business needed to be set up upon. We are a team of professionals. We have a team of professionals that we have behind us, such as attorneys, mortgage brokers, agents, such as agents meaning realtors and brokers that supply us for all the needs throughout the company, and we have set this up to have a successful operation, and this is what you need to have a successful real estate investment company. We founded the company to be an established company, not for a couple years, but for a lifetime and generations past that. We ask you to just stick with us and come and enjoy the rest of the ride here at Strength Management LLC, McCombinvestments.com. Here's an example of a rehab project, and on the left-hand side you see a distressed property, and then that turns into what you have on the picture on the right-hand side, a property being fully rehabbed. This is an example of where your cash could go as investing in the Strength Management LLC and what will be done with the cash. If you invest in the stock market, you never really know where your cash is, can't really see it. This gives you an opportunity to actually see what you're investing in, and you know where your 10% is always coming from, and it's fixed, secured on a property. And what we offer is a deed of trust, the fire insurance, and a promissory note for the people that invest into the company. And the projects as a whole can be a rehab project, a wholesale project. We can lease option a project as well. We also want to make sure that we let you know that we understand that this is a powerful business that we're in because we revamp communities by turning properties around that are distressed, sitting in areas that are nice areas, but the properties make it either, you can see on the left-hand side that the property is just beat up. And you can see on the right-hand side after you're done with the project that it just turns the community around. And it gives the first-time home buyers a chance to get in homes where they can afford these homes and not buy. Everybody can't afford a new home. So a strategy that we use is going in and rehabbing homes, changing the community, feeding families through our business, and also giving people a great opportunity as their first-time home to be a nice home and presentable to them. Here are some more pictures of the rehab project that we have as an example today for our private lending presentation. And you can see on the left hand side how run down the property was, and then what happens once a team comes in and rehabs the property, how beautiful they look. A strategy that we use to be able to rehab and sell properties quickly are to come in and redo properties with brand new cabinets and ceramic tiles, so that's beautiful for the first time home buyers or home buyers to come in and purchase these properties. That's how we get a cutting edge in this line of business in the areas that we're in. We present these properties, we put them up back on the market lower than houses on the block, and we also make sure that the houses are remodeled in completeness and look nice so that we can sell these properties instantly when we put them back on the market. Here we have another example of a rehab project. This is another exit strategy that we have, purchasing property with private money. It's called wholesaling real estate. Wholesaling real estate allows us to keep capital moving into our business at all times and gives us a consistent cash flow while we're waiting on rehabs to cash out. So what we do is we purchase a bunch of property in the area. We pick and choose which ones we want to give off to investors, which one we want to rehab ourselves. Having the access to cash, more deals come our way. You can't rehab every single one, so we decided to implement the wholesale real estate strategy, making a good $15,000 to $5,000 off of every deal, allowing our business to keep running smoothly while we're waiting on the rehabs to come through. Here's a couple more examples of some wholesale deals that we have done in the Macomb County area. This is what gives us the competitive advantage here at Strength Management LLC. We have the knowledge to do creative real estate deals. We have spent our time to know how. Also, we have the speed to act fast on opportunities, having the cash available. Deals come to us because we can buy them. We have the flexibility of different strategies that we implement in our business, from renting, land contracts, rehabbing, and also wholesaling. And we developed a nice team approach, and we have a system developed that gives us a competitive advantage. Here's some of the people that help us get houses. We work with banks, also HUD, a government agency. We work with private individuals, people that might be going through hard times. We could do short sales on a property. People that have relatives that passed away, we purchase from estate sales. And also people that just really want to get out of a property and move up, we come through and we'll purchase the property at a cash deal. And other investors also send deals our way all the time too. You're probably asking now, who's going to buy these houses? Well, we got retail buyers, which we line up when we're doing a rehab on a property. They pay full price for a property. We have investor buyers, which may buy a property off us that they want to wholesale to another investor, or they might actually retail the property. And also we got landlord buyers who are looking to purchase property at a good price so they can put tenants in there and get a consistent cash flow. Our company vision is to provide investment services for real estate investors and money investors. We also want to grow the company by providing housing for tenants and the first-time home buyers. And we want to expand operations into the rest of the state and branch out into other areas and other locations, including development, apartment buildings, and changing areas as a whole. We believe in going into the economy and making a difference. Now that we've talked a lot about us, let's let you know what's in it for you. We provide safe investment secured through real estate. You earn 10% on your money. It's a fixed rate. You don't have to worry about it going down all the time and lose your money like the stock market. There's no management costs or fees moving your money back and forth, and the daily headache with managing contractors or tenants would not be there because you have nothing to do with managing the real estate. That's just where your money's secured. Here's our program overview. We provide you a 10% fixed interest rate, and we secure it by a property. We give you the principal and interest at the time of sale, and we guarantee 3 months return on your investment.